The handgun is the cheapest but weakest pistol of all. There are plenty of better options, so it will go in the do not buy tier. The snub-nose fires at a good speed but deals low damage to the head. It also only has 6 in a clip. The auto revolver has good headshot damage and good fire speed, but you can just buy a revolver which is slightly slower, cheaper, and has basically the same headshot damage and the same ammo amount. The heavy pistol has the most ammo of all the pistols, however it has less damage than a snub-nose, which is why it is only in the good tier. The revolver has the second highest headshot damage for pistols, has a decent firing speed, but only has 6 per clip. However, it is a cheaper and I'd say better alternative to an auto revolver. The classic pistol has decent damage for a pistol and an okay firing speed. Overall, it is a good pistol to use with no heavy drawbacks. The Pistol 50 is the strongest but slowest pistol and only has 8 in a clip. However, it is so strong that I had to put it in GOAT tier.